Anclote Golf Park is closed. Yep. Closed up. Stink. Hey! Surprise, it's open! Wow, okay, it's open. I don't know how long it's gonna stay open, but it's open. Let's go and see. Parking lots might be closed. Oh yeah, the parking lot is closed. It's only open for the boat ramp. Huh. There's a few people out here. There's some boats going out. Some people out here. Oh, there is a few people out here, and there's a few people over at the beach. But I have a feeling we're probably gonna get kicked out. So I just brought the essentials: one rod, bucket, cast net. See if we can catch some bait, and then we just do some casting right here. See if we can catch some fish. And then if we catch anything at all, ooh, water's high. Is there gonna be any bait in here? That is gonna be a question. Okay, we got 3 out of that. Not bad. Okay, we're gonna just go ahead and fish, because you're not sure how long we're gonna be here. So we got about 8 maharas, and just gonna see if anything's biting. If we can get a bait on here, might catch something decent today. First cast. Oh yeah, let's see. Be ready. That's not bad. Oh, look at that boat. Oh, that boat looks like it's sinking. The one that's out there I fished next to, it looks like it's taking in water or sinking. Oh man, that's too bad. That's definitely probably going to be underwater after this storm comes through. No bites. Not what I expected. I was expecting to be on fire, but nope, not on fire. No boats out today.
Want to see which boats make it and which don't?
Before and after.
Yeah. We're wondering about that thing. Maybe he'll be under completely.
That one, I saw the other one out there too. See that one way out there? Looks like it's almost in the water right now. I don't know why.
That's been there for a long time.
It has. Yeah, that one.
Up on a sandbar.
Yep.
And there's another one you can't see it from here if you're out in the boat.
In between.
Island.
Yeah, yeah. It's a big one too, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
The white one.
Yeah.
I don't know how they're going to survive.
Probably not. Nothing biting here. I'm gonna go down to the other end and see if something's biting down there, because there's nothing biting. Okay, we're gonna try this spot real quick. See if there's any fish in here. Got some nice looking bait here too, man. Can't catch any fish with that. Might as well pack it up and go home today. No bites? No bites yet? Come on. Should have been a fish, man. Go over there. Oh yeah. See if there's one in there. Well, nope. No bites, man. This is kind of nuts. Got a major feeding time. Storm's coming. Should be ideal for catching. Not happening though. We're going to video these boats and see which one of these boats are gonna make it through the night. I don't know. I'm wondering if anybody's gonna be living in it or staying in it tonight. I doubt it, but you never know, man. You never know. Nothing biting though. Crazy. What's the deal? Hey, y'all, nothing. All right, nothing, no bites at all there. Wow, crazy. Back out here again, back here at this spot, and still nothing. crazy. I don't know what the deal is with that. Worst fishing day ever. Not even the little guys are biting on a major feeding time. On a 3-star day, or is it a 2-star day too? Yep, something is weird. That dude is going out on his jet ski right now. Hopefully he make it back before the storm gets here. I think that storm Idalia is supposed to be hitting tonight, so we'll see what happens. Look.
Any good fish?
No, there's nothing biting right now.
No?
Nope.
Damn, I was thinking they would definitely be biting.
That's what I was hoping, but nothing.
Good luck to you,
Okay.
okay? Be careful.
You too, be careful. Oh yeah, the wind is picking up a little bit. Clouds are getting a little bit thicker and the wind is blowing a little bit more. Yep, you can definitely feel the storm that's coming. And as far as biting, nothing is biting. This is pretty unbelievable. Hey-o.
What are you catching down here?
Snook or mangrove snapper.
Okay.
Other side, they were right near high tide. It's not
Yeah.
going that fast to come.
We had something and it just came off playing around with the camera and lost the fish. Well, I don't know what it was, but not anything big, but it was definitely something. All right, we got 2 more bait left and we're gonna use them up first and then call it a day. We got the bait, but no fish today. The wind is picking up a little bit more. Yep, getting windier. Yep, here comes the jet skier. Ready to call it a day. All right, we got 1 more bait left and then it's gonna be over today. And I'm telling you, not a great fishing day. That is gonna be a wrap for today. So until our next fishing adventure, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe.